everyone, I'm back with another video, and I'm going to show you how to make a custom sublimated keychain. To see how I achieve this, keep watching. With the keychains, this packet came with the squares and the circles. I think I'm going to go ahead and work with the circle I like. Before you begin, you want to make sure you take off a piece of the plastic that's on here. It's very, very thin. You can barely see it. Alright, there we are. To protect your heat press from any sublimation ink possibly getting to it, you want to make sure you put a piece of butcher paper down. I do have that in the description where I got it from. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and place this right in the middle. Right in the middle, baby. Right in the middle. Alright, that's where I want it. Put that there. Piece of tape, hold it down. Okay, piece on top. I'm going to press 400 degrees for 50 seconds. Let's go. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed that custom keychain tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Till next time, bye bye.